Hello guys, welcome to Scholar once again. So permit me to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever in the world you have joined this video from. This is your boy, Maxwell Guakane, the presenter of content on this channel, M Scholar. Today I want to discuss with you how you can edit. For those of you who are, let's say, copy editors, you received a piece of could it be a research material or a book that has been written by someone, and you have been reached out to by clients on any of the marketplaces. For example, Upwork or Fiverr or freelancer or people farm or we work remotely, you name it, to help carry out an in-depth editing on the job. And then the instructions you were given is to ensure that whatever you do, you should track your changes just so that the client will be able to see what was in that particular spot or space previously, and also be able to see what you have introduced. So we are going to learn two things: how to insert comments, how to track changes. So before we do that, of course, you know that you need to have some form content that you will edit. So let's say we just have, let's say we ask ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, check my previous videos on what ChatGPT is and what stuff that you can use it to do. And let's go on. Assuming we say generate, let's say we ask ChatGPT to write a 1,000 words essay on making money on the internet with your smartphone. Now let's say this is the topic that we have, and we have assigned the job of generating this content to ChatGPT, and then it's working on it. As you can see, it's generating the content. While we are going to wait for it to finish generating the content, I would like to invite you to please, if this is the first time you have joined you have encountered my videos on Upwork, on YouTube, I would like to call on you to please hit the subscribe button and also the bell sign. The benefit of that is anytime I upload beautiful content such as I am doing right now, you will be among the persons that will be notified, that will be, given the first opportunity to see what stuff we have uploaded. So if you, as you can see, what we have just done in this was just to ask ChatGPT to help generate some content. The reason for this content is so that we can demonstrate to you how to track changes, how to insert comments. I'm going to copy that now to a blank space. Then I will paste this. Right. Go back to ChatGPT. See what other stuff been generating. Now it has finished doing its job. Let's assume that this is the stuff that you were sent by your clients. and your client, sorry, supposed to paste text only. Now this is, let's say this is the text that your client sent you. Let's make sure that we include the title. It says making money on the internet with your smartphone. Let's say this is the title of the document of the paper that you were sent by your client, and it came with the instruction that says you should carry out the in-depth copy editing work on it. Then you should track changes just so that he will be able to see what changes you have introduced. And he also said to you that you should include any comments as to why you did what it is that you did. Alright, so let's dive in. First of all, to track changes, we'll go to review and then look at the track changes drop down, and then we select track changes. At this point, any change that you introduce will be tracked by the system. So let's say now, first of all, we need to at least express this topic in uppercase. So on my keyboard, I press Shift F3 again. All of the content have become uppercase. Then again, I would like to bold it, and then I have done the bolding, as you can see. Next, I would like to centralize that, and then I press Ctrl E on my keyboard. So now changes are being tracked. This particular sign that you have here is an indication that some tracking activity been done, or let me say some changes have been introduced to this document, and then this is what was done. So if you want to click on this now, you simply just hide the changes that you introduced. And if I click on now, it's red. If I click on it again, it will bring it back. What happens here is that it tells you that a few seconds ago, the font was formatted to bold, and then it was also centered. Alright? Alright, so if, for instance, I would like to justify this, I highlight the space I will be justifying, and maybe just click select justification icon here, and then I hit on it, gets justified. Again, it's telling you that something has taken place. Alright? Now, assuming I come across any particular spelling I'm not comfortable with, assuming just this revolutionized, it came with a Z. Assuming I was living in a country where S would have been in place of that Z, and I decide to change that particular word and type in my own. So I will now highlight it and press on delete. You can see that it has cancelled out that word, and then I go ahead to type mine and say revolutionized, then including a space. So it will leave behind what you had there previously and bring in something new that have been introduced. So this is just how tracking is done. Now, assuming I wanted to insert a comment, let's say I want to insert a comment here, I will just go ahead and highlight, and then click on Inserts, and then come and select Comments. Here I will say this, for instance, this should be bolded, right? So this is how to insert comment. Now, next thing I would like to show you is that assuming that you were the client that received this, and all of these trackings and comments have been, included in your document, then you will need to accept or reject the comments that were introduced. What you simply do is to right click on the word that was deleted, for instance, and then you see in this drop down, you are now given the choice to either reject deletion or accept deletion. Right? So that's just about that. Then for the one that was introduced, you highlight it and you right click. You can also see accept insertion or reject insertion. Guys, that's it for now. Please, if you know that you got value from this video, I will invite you once again to please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, share this video with your friends who are content editors, who are researchers, so that they can put this knowledge that you have gained to use in their next jobs. Thank you very much. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel and more and more videos will be coming your way. Bye.